Example 1 says, Alex transferred songs from his computer onto his portable music player. He transferred 2 4/7 songs in 1 1/3 minutes. How many songs did he transfer per minute? So something we need to know before we start is we want songs per minute. So we're going to say songs. The word per means we need to divide. So songs divided by minutes. Okay. So he transferred 2 4/7 songs. So we have 2 4/7. Oops. And we are going to divide that by minutes. And it says 1 1/3 minutes. So 1 1/3 minutes. Before we divide, we need to convert those into mixed numbers. From mixed numbers to improper fractions. So how we do that is we multiply and add. So 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So we have 18 over 7 divided by, and we're going to do the same thing over here. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So it's 4 over 3. When we divide fractions, we keep the first one, so I'm going to keep the green one the same, 18 over 7. We're going to change this division sign into a multiplication sign. And we are going to flip our purple one. So you might have heard copy dot flip, or keep it, change it, rearrange it. But that's how we multiply fractions. Keep the first fraction, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip your last fraction. And then we just multiply across. So 18 times 3 is 54. Divided by 7 times 4, which is 28. We need to convert that back into a mixed number. So there's at least one 28 in 54. So I'm going to do 1. I'll do it down here. We'll do it over here. 1. And to do that, we need to do 54 minus 28, which is 26. So there's 26 left over. So we have one full 28 in here, and then 26 over 28 left over. And we can still simplify that. We're going to divide the top and bottom. Since they're both even, I can divide both of them by 2. So now instead of 1 and 26 over 28, I have 1. 26 divided by 2 is 13. 28 divided by 2 is 14. And that's our answer. So how many songs did he transfer per minute? He transferred 1 13/14 songs each minute. That's kind of a lot of work to answer that one. That's okay. Let's move on to example 2. We're going to kind of be doing the same thing. Rachel enjoys exercising outdoors. Today she walked 5 1/3 miles in 2 1/3 hours. What is Rachel's unit walking? Oh, I think that was supposed to say rate in miles per hour. So we want miles divided by hours. Because remember, per means divide. So we have 5 1/3 miles. We have 5 1/3 miles. And we're going to divide it by 2 1/3 hours. And again, we want to change those into improper fractions. So 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So we have 16 over 3 divided by. We're going to do the same thing here. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. When we divide fractions, we keep the first one. So we're going to keep 16 over 3. We're going to multiply it. And we need to flip this fraction here. So instead of 7 over 3, we're going to have 3 over 7. And then we multiply. So 16 times 3 is 48. And then 3 times 7 is 21. So how many 21s do we have in 48? So let's see, 48 divided by 21. There's actually 2 21s in 48. So that means we have 2 full numbers and then 6 out of 21 left over. We can actually simplify this a little more because 3 goes into 6 and 21. So now we have 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. So it says, what is her unit walking rate in miles per hour? There should be rate. And it is 2 2/7 miles per hour. Make it kind of small so you can see it all. And there's our work.